Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm going to tell you how to change address on Wise.com. So simply click on here. Now click on help center. Just after that you have see multiple options here: holding money, sending money, regarding your issue, but we will click on contact us. So simply click on contact us. So you can here share multiple options: sending money. We will click on managing my account. So after clicking on the managing my account, you need to click on something else. All other two options, we will click on something else. So after this we will send obviously the email. Simply click on email. So here you can type the email. You can also add the attachment, like you have PDF file of your address. So here click on choose file. You can also select the relevant document to change your address. Further, what you need to do, just type the email here. Simply type, hey, what's your name? So after completing the name, you can add your details here, like why you need to change. Here you can add the new address you want to change. Type the address. So in these three sections you have to type your application, and after this click on send mail. So in this way you can simply change your address on Wise account.